Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled ginger pink, updated. Slice young ginger paper thin, salt to draw moisture, rinse, then steep in hot sweet rice vinegar with a splash of beet juice or red shiso for color. Cool quickly, refrigerate to set the hue, and taste after 24 hours. Adjust sweetness and acidity to balance flavor, and store sealed for up to 3 weeks. Serve chilled as a bright, tangy condiment. Gather ingredients and measure carefully to get consistent results each batch. Use 1 cup rice vinegar, 1 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt as a reliable starting brine. Add 1/2 cup beet juice or a small handful of red shiso to impart a natural pink hue without artificial dyes. Slice 8 to 12 ounces of young ginger very thin to let the brine penetrate quickly and evenly. Warm the brine to dissolve sugar, then pour over ginger and cool before refrigerating. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes recipe browsing and note-taking in the kitchen a breeze. I put a link and other deals in the description so you can check it out after the video. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering technique makes pickled ginger both pretty and flavorful. Warm the brine just enough to dissolve sugar, then cool slightly before pouring over ginger to protect color intensity. Chill jars quickly to encourage even color uptake and to keep the slices crisp instead of soggy. Taste after 24 hours and tweak sweetness or acidity to suit your palate before transferring to long-term storage. Small tweaks yield big improvements in balance and appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.